Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. When you get your new iPhone 14, you must want to restore it from your old iPhone backup. But what if you set a password for your iTunes backup and you forgot it? So how to restore iPhone 14 from Encrypted Backup? Get your iTunes backup password back with PassFab iPhone Backup Unlocker. Choose Retrieve iTunes Backup Password. Select your iPhone backup. Click Next. Choose one password recovery method. Click Start. Wait for a while. You will get your password. Copy it to restore iPhone 14 from your encrypted backup.